I have version 2.1 of the Ultimate Motion Bundle installed. You can see the version number right here. First, we'll uninstall it. Click on the logo, then just hit the X and confirm. Now I have the update archive already downloaded. So what do we need to do? Open up the zip and simply extract it into the folder where the bundle is installed and replace all files when prompted. I'll close the archive, and let's reinstall the bundle with the email and license code. Select Do Not Copy, and that's it. The new version is installed. Let's go through what's inside. This time I added a lot of new elements to GrungeLab, starting with typography, canvas titles, which combine text with footage that reveals through brushstrokes. Very cool, and very useful for stylized promo videos and intros. New lower thirds in different styles, fonts, and colors, so you can find the one that fits your project and easily create variations. And glowing outline titles, also in multiple colors with a nice distortion effect. There are also new transitions. Look at these grungy flashes with different light textures. Here are also photocopy transitions with distressed textures and invert effect. If you want something simpler, check these chromatic aberrations shakes. And finally, brushstroke transitions that you can use as a mat for your images and videos to reveal basically anything you want. I also added a few new backgrounds. Check these colorful scatter backgrounds with glowing lines and retro low frame rate look. And the brush backdrops, quick brush strokes that you can use behind your text or to reveal your footage. And finally, film burn overlays. These are great for giving your footage a cool retro feel. That's it for the update. A lot of new content added to GrungeLab, and there's much more already in the Ultimate Motion Bundle. And as always, all updates are completely free for bundle owners. If you haven't checked it out yet, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!